Hi guys, do you see my shirt? I don't ever give up. I don't give up on me, on my health. I don't give up on you. So I don't want you to give up on your own health. You are worth it. Today we're gonna do a new plank. Let me start my clock. You can modify, of course. Will be forearm plank with a hip dip. So you can modify on your knee and rotate your hip. If you have lower back issues, pain, watch it. Don't do it. You can just hold it. But I would love you to try. So rotate hip to the right and left about 3 inches. Don't touch the floor. Just 3 inches from the floor. If you modify. If you don't modify, stay up. Let me start my clock. Let's do this. Forearm plank. I like to keep my hands together. Keep your core tight. Ooh, feels good. Actually, my obliques are working. Depends how flexible you are. Ooh, feels so great. My abs, my obliques, my arms are shaking. How do you feel? And it's actually 50 seconds. So, don't ever give up on yourself. Come back every day, work out with me, enjoy your holidays, bring your friends and family, enjoy your family, and stay healthy. See you next time.